Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is June 5th, June 4th, actually, 2024. Here is another daily analysis. We just had another uptick today, light volume, but I should say market is poised for another rally. Potentially, the summer rally is kind of like this is kind of like the bottom for months of May. And we just got back, actually, months of June. We just got a down dip here starting in May. So this is kind of like the same scale like this, but we are just expecting more a bullish momentum is coming down the road. This is kind of like a nice bullish consolidation. It's not a sell signal at all. We are just saying this just because this is higher low, and also market just carved out a little bit higher high as well. So the entire session we are in kind of like a bull trend. And right now, if you just to see that this is kind of like a small bullish consolidation is forming here. And I should say in Dow, in Nasdaq, it's kind of like the same format. Stochastic momentum, we just got a crossover, not an ideal scenario actually, but just the fast line goes into oversold condition and then crossover nicely to the upside. I should say market is kind of like a poised for another rally to the upside. So the bigger trend even, it's pretty bullish. So if you just look at this as a nice bullish flag or bull flag, so we are just looking for the same scale. Bull run is coming down the road. Summer rally is already started, so I believe that we just got it a nice correction for a next buying opportunity. And right now we are just at the earliest stage for 56 to 5800 is coming down the road in July, August. So that's kind of like my take for S&P 500. The next stop is going to be Nasdaq. The Nasdaq just recaptured higher as well as we expected. We just got buy signal yesterday and a nice Friday session bottoming tail here going all the way down to this demand area. And right now we just got back into bullish momentum. I know S&P 500 is kind of like a more better pattern. It's kind of like a neat, but I should say Nasdaq is going to be kind of like a the booster for the next summer rally as well. So we'll see how it goes. The good one is here, Dow Jones, very nice bullish consolidation. If you just see this pattern, I should say this is very, very typical. Nice pattern, nice surge. We just got buyers back here, higher low. And this is a pretty nice bullish consolidation prior this supply area. So for those ones who know, this is kind of like a bullish attack to here to 39,000, potentially consolidation for testing 40,000. So that's the Dow for today, and I believe that blue chips are coming down the road. Gold just coming down, didn't follow through yesterday rally. It's just coming down. However, I believe that this is kind of like a still forming the bottoming pattern here. I know some people are saying this is kind of like a bear flag. Yes, if we get below this pivotal point, we are going to see very sharp sell-off all the way down to here. Either case, even if we form a bottom here going up, or if we just dump here first, but eventually I'm just looking for a higher high this summertime. So for those ones who want to just invest in gold, I believe that these corrections are going to be a good one. If you want to be aggressive, just put your stop loss here. But for those conservative traders, investors, we can just see this is going to be the most important demand area here, which is going to be 21 to 2200, 2220. Even if it goes below this pivotal point, can go all the way down here for a fantastic buying opportunity. I start nibbling in gold miners. So I don't mind to have more allocation in gold miners at this level, because I believe that the rally's already started and these corrections are going to be kind of like a good buying opportunity. Moving on to silver, just to smash down here, silver is just giving us a fantastic scenario. As I said, this is going to be a demand area. Silver is coming down to demand area. Stochastic, both lines are getting into oversold condition. So this is kind of like the same setup that we see. And it's coming to important pivotal point here. So 28 to 29, I believe that that's going to be the level that we are looking for silver. So if it gets there, good buying opportunity, which is right now 29.57. And I believe that next downside dip is going to be potential final dip. Crude just coming down here. Potential scenario is going to be intermediate low, as we have lots of buyers here. But eventually, I'm just looking for June cycle low for crude. And that's going to be very, very important cycle low, which initiate the next rally. So the next rally is going to be substantial for crude, but after this cycle low. So we will give crude benefit of doubt for now. Moving on to individual names, starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin just forming higher as well, so managed to the higher high today. It's just nice bull flag within this macro bull flag here. So triggered another bull flag. I believe exponential rally is coming for Bit, 30,000 more. It's going to be 100 level target for me, which is going to be a fantastic. Ethereum, the same pattern here. Look at the bullish momentum here. Bull flag holding up nicely, 37.97. Ethereum 48 is going to be very, very feasible scenario. US crude, US bond yield, actually crude is kind of like coming along with bond yield. Bond yield is coming down, crude is down, treasury is up. So bond yield is forming a very nice ascending head and shoulder here. So if you just look this pattern, if it gets triggered, first the stop is going to be 4.41. But I believe that sub 4% bond yield is coming down the road, specifically this summertime. Moving on to treasuries. Treasuries managed a breakout. Fantastic move. Today just initiated, actually started yesterday, but today confirmed that we are in a bull run in treasuries. And TLT can go all the way up to 95.97, and then 103, 105. That's going to be the target for this year. Moving on to VIX. Just slightly higher, but I believe that that is the top, and we are just seeing a low VIX is coming. DXY just managed the doji bar, doesn't change anything basically. This is kind of like another head and shoulder here. Very, very nice scenario is going to be just a deep down to 101, 102, and even sub 100 is coming down the road. Weaker dollar is coming, which is going to be a bullish signal for magma. So our magma indicator shows that $4 uptick today. Apple just going higher, managed 32 cents higher. Amazon dollar up. Amazon, I believe that the correction is over, and we are just seeing another scenario for buy. Meta just 50 cents down. Nice bullish consolidation here. There's nothing wrong. Microsoft, great reversal today. So Microsoft, I believe that is formed its bottom on Friday. Today, we just confirmed that Microsoft is in buy signal. New higher high is coming down the road. Google, the same pattern here. 3 higher highs, not a bad session. Netflix, $2.17 down. Tesla, it's just forming a bullish consolidation. If market goes higher, Tesla is going to break out over 200 level. Semiconductor index, they're just lagging, but look at the pattern here. It's not that bad at all. So it's kind of like a consolidating new all-time high. Potential for breakout 257, 267 is coming down the road. Stocks, the same pattern here, $1.83 down. Taiwan Semiconductor, $2.48 down. AMD, $3 down. I believe AMD is just consolidating before the next rally. NVIDIA managed higher today. New all-time high NVIDIA, 1164. Nothing stopped this stock. And this is amazing. Texas Instruments going lower today. Doji bar, not a bad session, not a great, not good, not bad actually. It's kind of like a neutral setup. The good thing for Texas is going to be 3 higher low in a row. But still pattern is not that strong. So we need to just get above 197 ideally to confirm bullish momentum. Lam Research better though. So still pattern is not that bad. XLF Financial, just a doji bar after ugly session. It's just going down today, 19 cents. Not a bad session. Banks are forming kind of like a very mixed signal. However, I should say the long-term pattern is pretty bullish. KBE 75 cents down, KRE 85 cents down today. They can go lower. This is kind of like a bearish pattern. As you see, this momentum 43, 45 is going to be a potential scenario. JP Morgan, $2.66 down. Goldman Sachs, 32 cents up today. Even after hours, it goes higher. Bank of America goes higher as well after hours, 20 cents down today. Wells Fargo, 64 cents down today. So mixed signal for banks overall is going to be a good, but I should say we should just give them time. Right now, it's kind of like early stage. A great buying opportunity just came today for gold miners. They just hammered 3.75% down GDX. GDXJ just slaughtered 4% down, AEM 5% down. Look at that. So AEM is getting into important demand area. Newmont at 3.25. And this is kind of like the area that I find it very interesting. So Newmont is going to be a good one. Franco Nevada 4% down. Still, as long as we are above this area, which is going to be 114, that's going to be a bullish sign. Gold Barrick slaughtered 5% down after hours, just took a little bit gain, but not a bad pattern overall. The bottoming tail here is this. So Crude managed a very nicely XLE. This is a great bottoming tail, guys. I just posted in my channel as well. So XLE, XOP, OIH, all of them just slaughtered today, but look at the pattern, especially if you just look at this one. So we were waiting for this demand area a long time, and it just today touched, bounced back up nicely. So this is kind of like neat. XOM, which is Exxon, it goes exactly to this lower part of this bull flag. Nice touch, bounce back up nicely as well. Chevron, $1.33 down today. Good bottoming tail here. So we will see how it goes. So with this name, but I should say energy is kind of like forming a very nice intermediate bottom right now. So we will see how it goes. Folks, so there are lots of good stocks here for a good buying opportunity. So make sure watch the chart, watch my daily analysis. If you just watch it day by day, you will see that there are lots of good potential buying opportunities here. As I just covered today as well, energy stocks is going to be a good one. Bitcoin, we talked about it. Gold miners, that's going to be a good one as well, especially if you haven't looked my cycles for gold miners, make sure watch that one because it's going to be beneficial and lots of buying opportunities there as well. Have a fantastic evening. See you on the chart, folks. Bye-bye.